Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is lecture series for Embedded C Basics, where you will be seeing about the steps to work in Keil mvision. So this is the software which you will be using for designing all the programs based on your microprocessors and controllers. This is one of the software that you will be using for. So Keil mvision app. So there are some 10 steps that you have to look upon to give that is you encode a code into this software and decode an output from this software. So we'll be going through all those 10 steps. What is Keil mvision? So it is nothing but it is a software where you can write both assembly language and embedded C programs. So I have already told you that microprocessor controller used assembly level, embedded C. This is how it is going on. Now we are using Python too. So in this app, that is Keil mvision, we can be able to write assembly level and the embedded C programs. So once the programs are fed according to the requirement, you can decode it, build the target and get the output. So in the scenario, like we are going to see about how 8051 microcontroller is going to be fed programs based on that, how it is going to be fed and how the data is decoded. So the step one is nothing but you will be opening this Keil mvision software. So it might be in desktop or through your control settings, you will be opening it. Make sure that which version of the Keil mvision is compatible for your program. 8051 will be much compatible even with third version of Keil also. So there are many other version which has come up already, but third or fourth will be much compatible for 8051. Now, after opening, this is how the tab gets opened, and now you will be clicking on the project which shows new mvision project. You will be clicking this new mvision project where it will create a blank space to type your program. So after clicking this, then what happens is a blank page will open, and the step 3 is you will be saving the blank page before itself. That is, you can create any document. So I have created here in desktop, I have created one folder called as Keil project, and I am going to save my program as test. So only test in what name you wish to give, that name you have to type and then give save, so that that particular text will be saved. That is, that page will be, project will be saved. Now after saving it, what happens is, once you give save, this dialog box gets open in your Keil mvision app. So this is your fourth step. Now I have given you, for when you're using assembly language, you might choose microchip Atmega 89C51. So this can be chosen when you're externally connecting the microcontroller kit. Now, if you are not going for external connection of microcontroller, just you're going to program in the software and get the output through the software, then this must not be chosen. What should be chosen is, in this, instead of choosing microchip, you will have an option called Intel, because 8051 was developed by Intel. So once if you go into Intel, you will have the series 8051. In that 8051, AH is the one option that you have to choose and give OK. Once if you give OK, it will ask copy startup project folder. You have to give no. Now what happens is, once all these things are finished, at the side, either on the right side corner or the left side corner, this tab appears where you have your project name and the target developed for that. So now you will be clicking the plus mark across the target, right click it. So you will find this add new item to this group. So click the add new item to the source group. Once you click, it will take to this page, that is where you have already stored your program. So in that, what you will do is, you will be giving a name and put .c, and you will be adding that, add, then close it. After closing, what happens is, the complete area where your program has to be created will be done, and you will be you will start typing the program. Once the program is typed, what you have to do is you you have to first go to the project, where like here you have chosen new vision project, right? So when everything is completed and you have saved it, you have to go to this tab. You have build target here. That build target will be given. So where build target is given, at the bottom of your page, you will see whether errors or warnings are there. If suppose there is zero error, zero warning, then debug code will be pressed. You will press this debug, start or stop debug. You will give that, take out the answer. So now when debug mode is pressed, you can see that there are different data that is given through. So now there is a small icon, step by step icon. As soon as you give debug, your exact answer will not come, because you would have given multiple instructions. So each of the instruction will be executed in one cycle. So you will be clicking on such that at the end you will be getting the when all the instruction is being coded, when it is executed, finally when there is an end, you will be getting your particular answer for that particular program. Till then you will be clicking this icon, which is like step by step wise answer verification. So once that is done, complete program is done. So there are some 10 steps that has been followed. Hope this video will help you more to completely concentrate on how your inputs and outputs is being derived. Thank you. Stay tuned for more information.